Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the physical and software prerequisites correct. Plug a good USB cable into the phone and PC, then enable USB tethering on the phone. This switches the phone into a network device. On Windows, open Network Connections to confirm a new adapter shows up. If it does not appear, make sure the phone's USB mode is set to tethering or RRendis and that the cable supports data. Once you see the adapter, proceed to configure drivers and IP. Now focus on drivers and addressing so the PC can use the phone's connection. In Device Manager, find any unknown network device or RRendis adapter and update its driver automatically or point to the phone maker's driver. After drivers install, confirm the adapter is enabled. If DHCP does not assign an IP, set a manual address compatible with the phone's subnet. For many Android phones, use the 192, 168, 42, X range and set gateway to the phone's IP. Once network shows connected, test browsing. Finish by verifying internet access and addressing common blocks. First, ping an external IP like 8 and load a web page. Successful responses confirm routing. If it fails, disable firewall rules or VPNs that might block the new adapter and turn off USB selective suspend in power settings. A simple reboot of both phone and PC often clears driver or service hangups. If problems persist, swap cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.